Hey guys, here's part two. So, natural cleaners. Citric acid cleaner is a way more stronger. It really cuts through the grease and the grime, basically. Vinegar cleaner will lift up grease and grime, but the really hardened on, really gunky, really nasty, grimy stuff, you want something more strong. You want citric acid cleaner. You can alternatively make a baking soda and citric acid cleaner as well. So to make citric acid cleaner, you take a quart of water. That's 4 cups. Pour it in a bowl. Warm water is best because it will dissolve the crystals better. Now we add 1 tablespoon of citric acid. Now citric acid is crystals. I'm having trouble doing it with my left hand because I'm not a lefty. Alright, let's do this. Okay, a little more than 1 tablespoon. Actually, I'll do a little less rather than more. Okay. That's it. It's that easy. Stir, and it will melt in. Stir it till it's totally dissolved and you don't see any crystals floating around. I don't know if you can see. Just a teeny bit in the bottom, but that's fine. So that's it. You're done. 1 tablespoon citric acid. And I will show you exactly what it looks like right now. Citric acid, okay? Now, if you want to make it have a scent, you can add essential oils. So I'm going to add pine essential oil. Now, this is like a non-organic essential oil. Now, I only use organic essential oils if it's going in my body. But sometimes people give me gifts, or for whatever reason, I end up with not organic, just regular essential oils. Now, the difference is that an organic essential oil came from an organic plant. And a not organic essential oil is just essential oil that does not have the word organic on the bottle anywhere, nowhere at all. It's literally just basic essential oil. That means that the plant was not an organic plant. That means that that plant likely is contaminated with chemicals, toxins, pesticides, and that essential oil is extremely concentrated. So think about that for a second. Usually, even when they're not organic, obviously the aromatic benefit is there. And by breathing in essential oils, it goes in your nose and directly in the bloodstream. I'm not sure about toxins that may be included in these cheaper essential oils, but I do not advise anyone at all to buy essential oils without them being specifically stating that they're organic. Okay? You do not want inorganic essential oils, especially if it's going on your skin or inside of your body, because you can take a drop in a cup of water, and that helps clean out, that really heals the body. I mean, they lie to us and say that it's going to kill you. It's dangerous. It is not dangerous. Now, they're very potent. You can't do more than like 1 drop. I mean, you can do 4 drops. I've taken capsules with 4 drops essential oil in each capsule every day for a while. And oh my gosh, very beneficial. I'm actually about to start that again. I don't know why I ever stopped. You know how sometimes you start a routine and then you just kind of like forget to do it, and then it stops being part of your daily thing. But then you're like, wait, why did I ever stop doing that? It was working great. Yeah, that's kind of what happened with that. So this is not organic. So whenever I have a not organic essential oil, I use that for like cleaning products, because they're not really going to touch my skin unless, I accidentally touch it while I'm cleaning. But I generally wear gloves when I clean anyway. So it's not going to really affect me. So that's the reason I'm using this particular kind right now, because this is like I keep my organic ones are for like actually going in or on my body. And then the others are the junky ones that are like, oh, I have all these crappy ones laying around. I'll just throw that into the cleaner. I'll just throw that into this, like that. So I'm putting 10 drops of pine. And 10 drops, 10 drops of lemon. Now we're gonna stir it up. I think if you make it, put more lemon. 25 drops lemon and 10 pine. Let's see how it smells. Yeah, that's good. It's like pine sol. Yeah, so I just made pine sol, except it's not chemical toxic pine sol. Brand name corporate pine sol. No, this is organic citric acid cleaner with pine and lemon essential oil. And I guarantee you this is going to clean all that gunk and grime off all of your stuff. It's great. It's really, really, really good. I've been using this for 3 years straight. These 2 cleaners are my 2 go-tos. And the third one is citric acid mixed with baking soda. So again, we're going to just take a little tablespoon of baking soda and drop that in there too. That's it. It's that easy. See? And look, I made my own spray bottle. This is a used kombucha bottle, okay? I got kombucha that I didn't even buy it, obviously. Well, not obviously. You probably thought I bought it, but I didn't buy it because I make my own kombucha. I don't buy kombucha. But someone in my family does get kombucha, and they gifted me the empty bottles. So I found that these bottles, a lot of times, the spray nozzles fit right on them. So if you come across spray nozzles really cheap, you can buy like 10 in bulk, 5 or whatever it is. Buy a couple of them. Or if you get like a really crappy plastic spray bottle at the store and you're like, I'd rather have glass. I don't like plastic. I don't want the toxins like leaching into my spray. You know, you can ditch that crappy plastic one from the dollar store and screw your nozzle onto a glass jar. Just pick glass jars you have laying around until you find one that's the right diameter. I mean, that's what I did. And apparently these Dr. Bronner's? Brew Doctor. Dr. Bronner's is like a soap brand, right? Apparently these Brew Doctor kombucha bottles fit really well with the basic plastic nozzles. Spray nozzles. See? Oh, this one worked. Okay, yeah, I had to replace the old one. See, this is a dollar store nozzle. These are crap. Every time I get one at the dollar store, they do not work. They're garbage. I'm throwing it out. So, luckily, I have more nozzles laying around. So, there you have it. We got, so let's do a quick review. Quick recap. We have, from the first video, part 1, we have our vinegar. We have our vinegar-based cleaner. Now you're going to take 1 quart of water. Now you want clean water, reverse osmosis, distilled, filtered, whatever you have, alkaline. But you want everything to be clean. Even if it's for cleaning your house, you still want clean water. We don't want fluoride on our walls and inside our fridge, so that when we touch the fridge, inside of the refrigerator or whatever, or put your hand on the doorknob that you just washed, you're soaking more fluoride into your body. Like, do you really want to do that? Because think about it. All these chemicals are staying behind on all these surfaces. So that's why you need something like this that's going to power through and kill all that junk that you don't want in your body. All right? Without having fluoridated water and chemical RX medication and all kinds of junk that they put in there in your cleaning supplies that now is going to go into your body. You might as well just drink tap water. So don't clean with tap water, okay? So you take some cleaned water, 1 quart, that's 4 cups of water, and you just simply put, okay, and don't pay attention to my nails. they're not done right now. They're all messed up. I cleaned way too many dishes because I literally just did them like 3 days ago. 1 quart, that's 4 cups of water. and 1 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar. That's the vinegar cleaning. And I put 20 drops of essential oil in there. Citric acid cleaner. 1 quart of water. 1 tablespoon citric acid crystals. Stir till dissolved. Done. You can add, what I did was 10 drops pine essential oil, 25 drops lemon. Made a beautiful pine salt scent. Beautiful. It smells so good. I don't mind cleaning with it because it smells so good. And it does such a good job cleaning. Like, why would I spend money when I can get extremely cheap? Dude, do you know I bought this over a year ago? Over a year ago. I bought this over a year ago. Yeah. And I have not bought any vinegar in like 2 years. So, what does that mean? Does that mean that my cleaners are next to nothing? They're basically almost free? Does that mean that these cleaners basically cost a few cents plus whatever the price of water is from the faucet that I filtered, which is, again, a few cents? I mean, we can factor in how much my water machine costed and divide that by how many cups of water it makes for each filter and how much the filters cost to replace. But even so, it's still going to be a few cents of water. Even if we add in the price of what the water from the faucet, it's literally, this is a couple of cents. What is this, 20 cents per bottle, maybe? What? Do you know how cheap Citric Acid? This is like not even $20, I think. I think it's like $12. It's already been a year. I've made like 6 bottles of this stuff. I make a new one every other month. If this doesn't convince you, I don't know what else to say. All right. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.